We came to this world in search of truth. But after coming here, we forgot the purpose of our entrance to this world. The nature tried to remind us the purpose of our arrival to this world many times. Nature does it by taking away what we love most and keeping us closer to what we don't love. All those happen for a reason, in order to remind us the purpose of our presence. The nature insists the fact that you came to this world, not to be in touch with the ones who you love, and not to keep distance with the ones who you don't love. Further, you are not here to carry the sins of others, not to gossip around and peep into others' lives. You came here to discover yourself, to know about yourself completely. Since you don't look into yourself, the nature does it forcefully by taking away your loved ones and giving you what you don't love. Your life is in a big mess now. Why is that? Because you didn't do what you should do. Then one starts to think life has become a big mess because we didn't do what is meant to be done. And we only did what is not needed. Now we have a duty toward us. It is to seek the truth, the paths to liberation and eternal happiness. Likewise, if a man becomes a conscious, impartial and focused to find the purpose of his arrival to this world, he is able to find it. From the day we were born, the nature pokes into us. There is no single day that we were not alarmed about the death. Several times a day, the nature alarms you about the untimely death in front of you, regardless of your age. The feeling of fear of death, unpredictability of death, refusal of death, and sometimes in needing of the death make us alarmed about death. All these problems occur as you have not attained the enlightenment. If somebody attains enlightenment, he liberates himself from this illusion. It can be achieved by anyone. What is needed is to follow this path of liberation wisely.